In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join a community group in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. To join a group on Roblox is quite simple. Just go ahead and log into your Roblox account, and once you are in your account, head to more here. Now under this, choose this option called communities, and when you tap on it, you should see all the communities you are on here. Now go ahead and identify the community that you wish to join. If you can't find it here, you can go ahead and search the name of the community if you know the community by its name. However, I'll go ahead and join a random group here under Experience Studio. So I'll tap on it, and this is the community I wish to join. So to join it, go ahead and tap on Join Community. And now I've successfully joined this open community. However, if the community is not open, it will mean the admin will have to approve your request manually before you can become a member of that community. So that's how you can join a community in Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.